down there.
He went for a soak.
But you can't get me down here.
Have you escaped? Have you escaped the vicious Corgi? Hmm?
Yeah.
He's already contemplating how to go and get you.
But yeah, what's my game plan now?
So.
Right, the chase begins.
Sorry! It says if you're not coming swimming, at least I will give you a shower.
Get wet.
Yep. And Cookie, if she can help it, she will stay in the water.
Aww.
She's a proper spaniel.
Oh, what a lovely bunch, old Cookie.
Thank you very much. Yes, thank you. Charlie, I can't even. You are so quick. I can't even get a proper portrait. Look at him. There you go. Never actually met a Corgi before.
No, you don't
No.
see it very often.
No, they are royal breed and
Yeah.
reserved, I think.
We had to go all the way to Cornwall to get this guy.
I didn't even know that they were coming from Cornwall.
No, I don't think there's many. Yeah, most of them are in Wales. We found
There's the treasure. Everybody's digging. You found a treasure. And they are sheepdogs, aren't they?
Yes, they
Sheep
herd
and cattle, yeah. Oh, cattle dogs, yeah.
Yeah, they've got little legs so they could run under the cow's legs. Oh.
Now that's better, but he's always looking at him. So I still haven't got his face properly.
Whoa, that was a huge leap. Yeah, you're not going to make that, Charlie.
Yeah, that's not for your size legs. He's a good boy. And now I can get your face. Very good. Very good. He escaped, did he?
I think he's in awe of rain.
He's standing there. Come on and get me. Come on and get me if you can.
If you dare.
And he disappears against the light there.
Yeah.
In the dappled light in the woods, you can't see him.
Beautiful.
Only can see him if he moves. Let's see, Charlie. Where did he go?
So close but so far, Charlie.
Oh, he would. Oh, well done. Well done, Charlie. You're a brave little Corgi dog.
Showing off how brave he is.
Yes. Plenty pluck, you know, if they are dealing with bulls and things.
Yeah.
Now, where's everybody? Oh, there he is. There he is.
Can you swim, Charlie? You ever swim?
Not your mum.
No, would rather not.
I am doubtful. I can handle the wolf dog, but as for deep water...
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Charlie.
He's lurking. Are you lurking? Go get him, go get him. Go get him, Charlie. Cookie says, hang on a minute, I got overrun. Yeah, I know, he runs you down, doesn't he?
He's quite fast for someone's little legs.
What, getting bored again? Shall we go?
Oh, this is so lovely. Yeah, he to go to doggy daycare sort of once a week and see the family dog another day, but he just doesn't get to see them anymore. He just loves them so much.
Yeah, they are very sociable and have got a wolf dog anyway. He's got very high social intelligence.
Yeah.
He's really good with timid dogs.
Oh, yeah, he's so gentle with Charlie. It's lovely.
When two dogs get aggressive, he just tends to walk between them.
Oh.
Sort of, excuse me, wolf dog coming through.
Break it up.
Yeah. In a really aloof manner, you see.
Aww.
And that usually is enough to stop every warmongering tendency. Right, gone. Oh, so much fun with these two.
You just see a tail coming over the horizon every now and then.
Occasionally, yes. Where's the cookie dog? Cookie! Cookie, you are again where you're not supposed to be. Come back.
How did he get in there?
Cookie, get back here. Out.
Oh, yes, it's fun.
Nah.